Automatic transmissions and transaxles. The ASE certification test A2, Automatic Transmissions and Transaxles, evaluates your knowledge of the complex systems that allow a vehicle to shift gears automatically. This lesson focuses on the core components of automatic transmissions and how they operate. Understanding the fundamental parts of an automatic transmission, such as the torque converter, clutch pack, and planetary gears, is critical for passing the ASE A2 test and performing maintenance and repairs on these systems in real-world applications. Basic operation of automatic transmissions. Automatic transmissions are designed to automatically change the gear ratio as the vehicle moves, freeing the driver from needing to manually shift gears. The operation of an automatic transmission involves several key components working together to select the appropriate gear based on the vehicle's speed and engine load. Key functions of automatic transmissions. Shifting gears. Automatic transmissions use a combination of hydraulic pressure, mechanical components, and electronic controls to change gears. These shifts are based on factors like vehicle speed and throttle position. Torque conversion. Unlike manual transmissions, which use a clutch to engage and disengage gears, automatic transmissions use a torque converter to transfer power from the engine to the transmission. Smooth power transfer. The transmission ensures smooth shifting and power transfer, allowing the vehicle to accelerate and decelerate smoothly without the need for driver intervention. The role of the transmission fluid. Transmission fluid serves several important functions in an automatic transmission. Lubrication. It lubricates the moving parts within the transmission to reduce friction and wear. Hydraulic fluid. It provides the hydraulic pressure needed to operate components like the torque converter and clutch packs. Cooling. It helps dissipate heat generated by the transmission during operation. Key components of automatic transmissions. Several essential components work together to allow the automatic transmission to function smoothly. Let's break down the role and function of the torque converter, clutch pack, and planetary gears. Torque converter. Function. The torque converter is a fluid coupling that connects the engine to the transmission, allowing power to be transferred smoothly from the engine to the drivetrain. Components of the torque converter. Stator. The stator redirects fluid flow from the turbine to the pump, multiplying torque at low speeds. Pump. The pump creates the hydraulic pressure that controls the transmission's shifting. Turbine. The turbine is connected to the input shaft of the transmission and receives power from the pump. It rotates when fluid is sent from the pump, transferring energy to the transmission. Operation. The torque converter allows the engine to keep running when the vehicle is stationary. It ensures the smooth transfer of power when the vehicle starts moving and helps manage the engine's power as the car accelerates or decelerates. Lockup torque converter. Modern transmissions may feature a lockup torque converter, which locks the converter when the vehicle reaches cruising speed. This improves fuel efficiency by eliminating slippage between the pump and turbine. Clutch pack. Function. A clutch pack is a series of friction discs and steel plates that engage and disengage gears in the transmission. The clutch pack works with hydraulic pressure to shift the transmission between gears. Components. Friction discs. These discs are coated with a material that provides the friction needed to transmit power from one part of the transmission to another. Steel plates. These plates help provide structural support for the clutch pack and facilitate smooth gear engagement. Hydraulic pressure. Hydraulic fluid is used to press the clutch pack components together, causing the transmission to engage or disengage a specific gear. Operation. When the vehicle is accelerating, the clutch pack applies pressure to specific gears to engage them. This pressure allows the vehicle to smoothly change gears without the need for driver intervention. In a multi-speed transmission, multiple clutch packs are used to engage the various gear ratios. Planetary gearset. Function. The planetary gearset is the core component of most automatic transmissions. It allows the transmission to shift between multiple gears with a single set of components. Components. Sun gear. The central gear that drives the planetary gears. Planet gears. Gears that rotate around the sun gear. They are the driving force behind shifting and provide different gear ratios. Ring gear, the outer gear that surrounds the planet gears. The ring gear helps determine the output speed and torque. Carrier, the housing that holds the planet gears in place and allows them to rotate around the sun gear. Operation, the planetary gear set allows for multiple gear ratios using a single set of gears. By engaging different combinations of the sun, planet, and ring gears, the transmission can produce various gear ratios for different driving conditions. The transmission's electronic control unit, ECU, and hydraulic pressure control, which gears in the planetary gear set, are engaged during operation. Summary of automatic transmission operation. To summarize the operation of an automatic transmission, the torque converter transfers engine power to the transmission using hydraulic fluid. The clutch packs engage or disengage the gears, allowing the transmission to shift between different gear ratios. The planetary gear set controls the various gear ratios, helping the vehicle operate at different speeds with optimal engine efficiency. Together, these components ensure that the vehicle shifts smoothly without the need for the driver to manually change gears. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we covered the basic operation of automatic transmissions and focused on key components such as the torque converter, clutch packs, and planetary gear sets. These components work together to ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle, shifting gears automatically based on driving conditions. Understanding these components is essential for anyone preparing for the ASE certification test A2 and for diagnosing and repairing automatic transmissions.